Hi, welcome to this channel and welcome home. I'm Heidi, and I'm really glad that you're here and that you found me in the YouTube, a sea of places you're here. It's not by accident. It's divine design, I believe. So I want to take a minute to welcome you and really tell you what we're about here. Because we deal with everything codependency recovery and toxic relationship recovery, the goal is really three things here. The first thing that I really want to help you do is to know yourself. Lots of things get lost in a toxic relationship, right, with difficult people, but the thing that gets the most lost is you. So I want to help you know yourself. I want to help you find your real, authentic self. Most of us are not who we really are. We're who we've needed to be to survive or connect or cope or get along, not who we really are. So the first thing I want to help you do is figure out who the heck you are. The second thing I want to help you do is have the permission and the courage to actually be who you are. Know yourself, then be yourself. I want to help you show up in the world in the way that you want to. I want to help you say the things you want to say to people. I want to help you be how you want to be, not how you think you're supposed to be. And then the last thing I want to help you do is to love yourself. So know yourself, be yourself, and love yourself. And listen, not loving yourself like a manicure or a bath bomb or going to the gym or eating good food. Loving yourself in the way that you're not afraid to set and hold boundaries with the people that you need to in your life, that you know how to identify what you need for a change and meet those needs, that you know how to open up and allow, stop being there for everybody else and actually receive for a change. I want to help you believe in the concept of enoughness. It's enough, there's enough, you're enough, we're enough, I'm enough, you're enough. I want to help you live in the present moment and be here now and be comfortable in your own skin. And I want to help you let go of everything else that doesn't serve you anymore. You are in the right place. Please like our videos. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends that you know can benefit. And again, I just want to welcome you. I am so glad that you found your way here. Now it's time for us to walk the path back home to you, starting now. If you want more information, by the way, you can always go over to lovecoachheidi.com and learn how we can deepen our relationship from there. But welcome home. I'm glad you're here.